Hey there, it's Matt with 911R here. I just went down here at the Portland warehouse. You know, we got this 912E here, the 1 year only 76 car. This car's really cool. They did not build very many of these cars. I'll post in the thing how many they built of them all. But this one's really cool because it has the sunroof on it. And what I love it, these cork seats that are sport bucket. I mean, that's just super cool. I mean, sport seats are just really neat. And the sport leather wrapped steering wheel. This was a really high spec 912E. It's just cool. I like the polished Fuchs on it and the tailpipe, and you know, it's all original paint that we could find on it, except for the deck lid. It looked like it's been painted on it. But gosh, this car is just a neat example of a 912E. 1 year only, very special car. These cars run out really good. And you know, if you know me at all, watching 911R auctions, I mean, we have Porsches everywhere. And that's just what we're known for. We sold this one here today. We sold this really nice 996 a couple days ago. We got a Singer down here that we're working on. But you know, just Porsches everywhere. And that's what we're about. And I just love this little bright yellow car, and somebody's gonna get a really great example. Thanks.